When you complete any assignments on MyLab IT, they will be graded automatically within minutes. However, your grades do not automatically sync with iLearn. You instructor will need to manually export the course grades from MyLab IT, clean up the Excel file, and then import it into iLearn. It is crucial for you to enter your SFSU Student ID and the MyLab IT course settings, otherwise it will not be possible to transfer your grades into iLearn. Note, this won't happen in real time. Most instructors will likely import these grades within 1 to 2 weeks after the due date has passed on MyLab IT. This only works if you have your correct SFSU Student ID entered into MyLab IT, otherwise we will not be able to match you on iLearn, thus you won't see grades. You will need pop-ups enabled for MyLab IT to work all semester. Once pop-ups are enabled in your browser, click on Set Time Zone and change Student ID in the upper right-hand corner to enter/edit the student ID. A pop-up should open, otherwise you will need to enable pop-ups within your browser first. In the Student ID section, enter your real SFSU Student ID. No dashes. Then hit Save on the lower right-hand corner. You might have to scroll down. Hit Save at the bottom right. There won't be any confirmation. Just close the window then. Grades won't transfer yet. Check your syllabus for details what the interval is when grades are transferred into iLearn, usually 1 to 2 weeks after due dates. You can click the Student ID link again to verify it's registered and correct. You're all set. Good luck for the semester. For the iLearn gradebook, you can check the other tutorial. Also note that every instructor sets up the course differently. You can find the other tutorials at the URL displayed.